I'm taking that back anyway for myself. But I would wish we had more of that as a people, as a nation. Um, be more friendly to our fellow people from Africa, to our brothers and sisters, because that's what we all are. So I'm Stefanie. I am from Germany, where I am working as a psychologist. Well, and I came to Nigeria about a little more than 2.5 weeks ago because I wanted to visit a good old friend whom I met in 2012. We met in Japan, where both of us were doing peace research, and we met there for a conference. And ever since, we've had contact, and she's now a full professor at the Ilorin Center for Peace and Strategic Studies, I think it's called. So I'm here, and we started off in Lagos and spent several days there. Went to, at that time, the celebrations were going on in the New Africa Shrine, and I'd always admired the music Fela Kuti has done. So I really wanted to go there. And the very first evening we did, and it was really interesting, and I enjoyed that very much. We went to Badagry, which was, I really wanted to go there, as Europe plays a very inglorious role in slave trade, as everybody knows. Maybe the case that Germany was not the main slave trader, but still, I think we as well got a lot of profit from that. And so it was important to me to go there to just see and feel what it's like, if you can feel that at all. So it was hard to get there and to be there. And so I was really glad that my friend was with me. Then I spent a little more than a week in Ibadan, where my friend's family lives. Having a look around Ibadan, so we went to many markets, and I really enjoyed that too. And wherever I came on the markets, I didn't dare taking photos, because it's always like a little bit, touchy when you're meeting people and you don't know how they might feel about me being a comparably rich person coming to their place. Greet anybody, because to take any photos, because I had to like react to greetings all the time. Oinbo, oinbo, crying all the time, and waving at me and smiling, and that was really interesting. And I just enjoy going to market in countries, and always enjoyed going to markets and to see what they are selling and the goods they're trading. So I really enjoyed that. And then in the end, we came to Ilorin, where we are now. And unfortunately, I'll have to return to Lagos tomorrow in the morning, and my flight will return tomorrow in the evening. I wish I could stay longer. It's just impossible. But what I will take back is all the wonderful food I had, all the lovely soups and the stews, and the really like substantial breakfast you get. And I mean, outside Nigeria, I think most people are thinking of jollof rice, but it's also like egusi soup, the different kinds of soup. Then yesterday I just uwo, I think it's called owu, uwo, um, tuwo, tuwo. That's it, exactly. I learned about a lot about miss. Like in Germany, would say Yoruba, but it's called Yoruba. I'm kind of inhaling the sights, the reactions of people, also being conscious of the security situation here and there. So it means I have been told over and again, I have to be a bit more careful about how I move, where I move, which is something I've never had before. I've traveled many countries, and I'm a rather fearless person. So normally I would like book a flight to a place, to a country, and then I would just start traveling, and then I just have a flight to the country and the flight back after some time. So this was the first time I really had to ask and to listen to people and to restrain myself and not just walk along the road and do and whatever I feel like. That was really strange. I think in general the world has become somewhat shaky. But I found lots of people in this country who were so friendly and so welcoming and so warm, like welcoming me. And very much ashamed when I think of how people in Germany, Germans are treating Nigerians, people from Africa in general, because it's highly imbalanced. And I wish we had that kind of a welcome culture. And we need more of that. Nigeria has it. That's my impression. And that is something I've, I'm taking that back anyway for myself. But I would wish we had more of that as a people, as a nation. Um, be more friendly to our fellow people from Africa, to our brothers and sisters, because that's what we all are. Um, so I'm taking lots of lessons back from Nigeria. Thank you.